just a quick tutorial on how to create tangential lines in a sketch. So we'll start by selecting a work plane. It doesn't really matter the size. I'm just going to draw a line from here. Now when you see that circle there, that means that's a tangential. You get that little thing there. We'll go from this one. Again, now these aren't tangential, so what we can do now is we can select the tangent, and it will correct those for us. Do the same on the other one. So that's how to make sure you've got tangential lines on a sketch.